Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. An interaction between a western disturbance and monsoon winds is leading to an intense rainfall spell over northwest India. Including Delhi wakes up to rain lashing. This week will also witness of heavy rain for next 3 to 4 days, and the intensity will reduce after that. We know that rainwater is tonic to the plant, but excess rainwater can cause fungal and pest issues. In most cases, leaving potted plants in rain isn't a problem. Natural rainwater isn't unsafe, but amount may be. Too much water can cause wilting, yellowed leaves, failure to produce new growth, mossy green soil, and general poor health. Plants need to breathe, and when they are in a boggy environment, the roots cannot take up oxygen and will suffocate. Also, it may lead to root rot, in which the plant will ultimately die. Last, we have given 2 to 3 videos about how to save our plants during this heavy rain and tips for not to get so much water logged in the soil. Look, these plants my mom saved from heavy rain, and by following the tips, these plants are saved. If you want to know those tips and tricks, search those videos in our channel, or we will give them in the description below, so you can also get it from there. There is a chance of heavy rain in the northwest of India or in Delhi. So you can follow those tips by watching our videos or simply keep your plants in shade. These plants are from cuttings. So for that reason, their roots are very weak. So in this heavy rain, they have a chance of waterlogging, and due to waterlogging, there will be root rot, which will make the plant dead. So I hope you will enjoy this heavy rain as well as save your plant from this heavy rain. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.